Hey everybody, it's Dynamic John Mickle of Dynamic Carpet Care. Hope you're having a great day. All the time I get asked about taking stains out of carpet. One that I get asked a lot is, I've gotten paint on my carpet, how do I get it out? Well, you decided to let your significant other do some painting and you come home and there's paint spots all over the carpet. What do? Well, I'm going to show you. You're going to take yourself a spray bottle, mix it up, get some hot water in there and a couple of drops of dish detergent. What that's going to do is going to create a cleaner for you, and it's a totally non-toxic and safe cleaner. Now, okay, what you want to do is just make sure you get up the excess there. Wipe it up. Okay. Now take your cleaning solution. Spray it down there pretty good, okay? Let it sit. Even rub it in there a little bit. Okay. Take your white cloth. You want to really get it in there. We don't want that paint to dry. Okay, paint's a tough stain, so let's hit it again. Move those fibers apart. Get that paint out of there. Okay, looking good. All right, now take your shop vac. Go over it. What the shop vac does is it makes sure it gets all the solution out of there so no dirt is attracted to the area. So I hope this helped, this home remedy to get out paint from your carpet. If there's still an issue, contact a local professional or you can contact me personally at www.dynamiccarpetcaretampa.com. And remember, keep it clean, my friends.